Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from class B. My name is Muhammad Sobir Ramadan.
My name is Muhammad Idam Salahuddin.
My name is Nina Somawadia.
My name is Syifa Mafratul Karimah.
Okay.
Okay.
Alright guys, we've just watched the video about the challenge of learning English. What are your thoughts?
Honestly, I can relate to almost everything in the video. Learning English is true. There are so many grammar rules and some things that don't make sense at all.
Okay.
Yes.
That's a common struggle. English grammar has a lot of expression, like why do we say I ate instead of I eat it, or why does sheep stay the same in singular and plural form? It can be really confusing.
I agree, but for me, the hard part is listening. Native speakers talk so fast and sometimes they blend words together. I can understand written English better, but when I listen, I get lost.
That's good point. I've noticed that too. English pronunciation is also tricky. Some words are spelled the same but pronounced differently, like read in present and past tense.
Right, and there are silence letters everywhere. Why do we even have them? Like in the knife, jab, or isline? Why read letters that aren't frozen?
Well, that's just how the language evolved, but pronunciation is the only challenge. A lot of learning are afraid to speak because they don't want to make mistake. I think that's a hard barrier.
That's especially my problem. I always feel nervous when I try to speak English. I worry that people will look at my mistake or that I won't sound natural.
But mistakes are part of the learning process. No one speaks perfectly from the start. In fact, making mistakes help us remember things better.
That's true, but some things I feel stuck. I study grammar, I memorize vocabulary, but when I try to speak, my mind goes blank. I don't know what to say.
That happens when you focus too much on being correct rather than just communication. Instead of worrying about perfect grammar, try to express your ideas simply. Even if you make mistake, people will still understand you.
That mistake that makes sense, but how to improve our speaking skill?
One good way is to practice speaking every day, even if it's just for a few minutes. You can talk to yourself in the mirror, record your voice, or even chat with friends in English.
But what if I don't have anyone to practice with?
Then try language exchange apps, join an English club, or watch movie and repeat the dialogue. You can even try showing, listening to native speaker and imitating how they speak.
I like watching movie, but sometimes I just read the subtitle and don't really listen.
Okay, that's common. A good trick is to watch with English subtitles instead of your native language. That way, you can connect to spoken words with their meanings.
And what about vocabulary? I feel like I keep learning new words, but I forget them quickly.
That's because memorizing words without context doesn't work well. Instead of just memorize lists, try using new words in sentence or in daily conversation. Writing a journal in English can also help.
That sounds like a good idea. Maybe I will start a simple diary in English.
That's great habit. And don't forget to have fun while learning. Listen to music, play word games, or follow social media accounts in English.
I guess I should stop overthinking and just enjoy the process.
Exactly. Learning a language takes time, but if we practice consistently, we'll improve.
I feel more motivated now. Let's help each other and keep practicing.
Agreed. Let's make English learning fun and stress-free. Okay.
Okay, thank you
thank you
for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi
Warahmatullahi
wabarakatuh.
wabarakatuh.